और दोस्तों, आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट 2024 के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर सेट, जिसमें है 100 सबसे ज़रूरी क्वेश्चंस। हर क्वेश्चंस के साथ आपको मिलेगा 4 ऑप्शंस और सही जवाब के साथ एक्सप्लेनेशन। अगर आप आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा। वीडियो को पूरा ज़रूर देखें, क्योंकि ये आपकी सक्सेस का सीक्रेट बन सकता है। हर क्वेश्चन के साथ उनके ऑप्शंस भी देखें। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आपको समझ नहीं आता है उसका आंसर क्या है, तो उसको आप पॉज करके उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देख सकते हैं वीडियो में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द पीएच रेंज ऑफ ब्लड इन द हेल्दी ह्यूमन बॉडी? आंसर है 7.35 टू 7.45। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन? आंसर इज विटामिन सी। व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ इंसुलिन इन द बॉडी? कंट्रोल ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल्स। Which of the following drug is used to treat hypertension? Amlodipine. Which organ is primarily affected by hepatitis? Liver. Which of the following is an example of a beta-lactam antibiotic? Answer is amoxicillin. Which mineral is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Answer is iron. Which of the following is used as anticoagulant? Answer is warfarin. Which hormone is secreted by the pancreas to raise blood glucose levels? Glucagon. The normal range of human body temperature is 36 to 37 degree. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin K. What is the recommended first line treatment for type 2 diabetes? Metformin. Which of the following is a symptom of hypoglycemia? Rapid heartbeat. Which class of drug is ranitidine, H2 receptor antagonist? Which electrolyte imbalance can cause muscle cramps? Low potassium. What is the function of the liver in metabolism? Detoxify chemicals and metabolize drug. Which of the following is not a steroidal anti-inflammatory drug? Ibuprofen. The deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? Vitamin A. Which drug is used as an bronchodilator in asthma treatment? Salbutamol. Which of the following is a broad spectrum antibiotic? Tetracycline. What is the normal range for fasting blood glucose levels in adults? 70 to 100 mg per dl. Which drug is commonly used to treat tuberculosis? Rifampicin. What is the primary function of RBC? Transport oxygen. Which of the following is an example of NSAID? Ibuprofen. What is the normal adult dose of PCM for pain relief? 500 mg. What is the main cause of scurvy? Vitamin C deficiency. Which of the following drug is used to treat malaria? Chloroquine. What is the common side effect of opioids? Constipation. Which organ produces bile? Liver. Which of the following is an antihistamine used to treat allergies? Cetirizine. Which of the following is a commonly used diuretic? Furosemide. What is the normal respiratory rate for a healthy adult at rest? 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Which of the following drug is used to lower cholesterol? Atorvastatin. Which of the following is used to treatment of hyperthyroidism? Propylthiouracil. What is the primary cause of goiter? Iodine deficiency. Which of the following is a beta blocker used to treat hypertension? Atenolol. Which vitamin is essential for calcium absorption? Vitamin D. Which condition is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. What is the mechanism of action of ACE inhibitors? reduce blood pressure by preventing angiotensin II formation. Which of the following is a common side effect of corticosteroid? Increased appetite. Which class of drug is diazepam? Benzodiazepine. What is the primary treatment for acute bacterial infection? Antibiotics. Which organ is affected by hepatitis? Liver. What is the main use of loratadine? Allergy relief. Which medication is commonly used to treat high cholesterol levels? Atorvastatin. Which electrolyte imbalance can lead to heart arrhythmias? Low potassium. Which drug is commonly used to treat hypertension and heart failure? Furosemide. Which hormone is primarily responsible for regulating blood sugar levels? Insulin. What is the primary action of antihistamine? Relieve allergy symptoms. Which medication is used to treat depression? Fluoxetine. Which vitamin deficiency leads to anemia? Vitamin B12. Which of the following is an oral hypoglycemic agent? Oral hypoglycemic, metformin. Which class of drug is used to treat hypertension by relaxing blood vessels? Calcium channel blockers. What is the main purpose of the drug prednisolone? Anti-inflammatory. Which condition is characterized by elevated blood pressure? Hypertension. What is the primary use of the drug lorazepam? Anxiety relief. Which drug is used to prevent clot formation in patients with heart condition? Warfarin. What is the primary function of vitamin B12 in the body? RBC formation. Which medication is used to treat asthma? Salbutamol. Which class of drug include amlodipine? Calcium channel blocker. What is the function of vitamin E? Antioxidant protection. Which medication is used to treat bacterial infection of the skin? Clindamycin. What is the recommended first line treatment for hypertension? ACE inhibitors. Which drug class includes metoprolol, beta blockers? Which of the following is a common symptom of an allergy reaction? Itching. What is the primary use of medication methotrexate? Cancer treatment. Which of the following is a common side effect of antibiotics? Diarrhea. What is the main function of the hormone insulin? Regulate blood glucose levels. Which drug is commonly used to treat hypothyroidism? Levothyroxine. What is the role of calcium in the body? Nerve function and bone health. Which of the following is a commonly used medication for treating acid reflux? Omeprazole. What is the primary action of statins? Lower cholesterol levels. Which medication is used to manage type 2 diabetes? Metformin. What is the normal range of blood pressure for a healthy adult? 120 by 80 mmHg. Which medication is used to treat an allergy reaction? Diphenhydramine. What is the common use of drug amlodipine? Manage high BP. What vitamin is known for its role to vision health? Vitamin A. Which of the following is a common side effect of diabetic medications? Nausea. What is the purpose of using anticoagulants? Prevent blood clot formation. Which medication is used to manage seizures? Phenytoin. Which of the following is an anti-diabetic drug? Metformin. Which of the following is an example of a corticosteroid? Prednisolone. What is the normal range for fasting cholesterol levels? 150 to 200 mg per dl. Which medication is used to relieve cough symptoms? Diphenhydramine. What is the main role of vitamin K in the body? Blood clotting. Which class of the drug is used to treat high BP by increasing urine output? Diuretics. What is the purpose of using antiviral? Manage viral infections. Which of the following medication is used for pain relief? Ibuprofen. What is the function of the hormone cortisol? Manage stress responses.
Which of the following drugs is used to manage depression? Fluoxetine. What is the main use of the drug clopidogrel? Prevent blood clots. Which drug is often prescribed by chronic pain management? Morphine. What is the main purpose of using antihypertensive medications? Lower blood pressure. Which medication is used to manage asthma symptoms? Albuterol. Which vitamin is crucial for the absorption of calcium? Vitamin D. What is the primary use of the medication gabapentin?
तो दोस्तों ये था आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट 2024
Which of the following is the common use of
पेपर सेट
medication?
4
Levothyroxine.
100 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपको ये वीडियो है यूजफुल लगा हो
Treat
वीडियो को लाइक
hypothyroidism.
करें, शेयर करें।
What is the primary use of the medication?
हम
Aspirin.
आपके लिए और भी ऐसे पेपर सेट्स और प्रिपरेशन
Pain
टिप्स
relief.
लेकर आते रहेंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Which class of medication included losartan?
Stay tuned for more pharmacist preparation
Angiotensin
videos.
2
Don't forget
receptor
to hit
blockers.
the bell icon for notifications.
What is the main action of the drug metformin? Manage blood glucose.